Huawei first showed off its triple folding phone, it felt like a sneak peek into the future. Some people thought it was just a gimmick, but honestly, Huawei has been pushing boundaries like no other. After such a long wait, the upgraded version is finally here. And in 2025, this is definitely the biggest product launch we've seen, the Huawei Mate XTS. So today we're unboxing it together, checking out everything from packaging to design, and of course that stunning new foldable display. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. The Mate XTS has been hyped for ages, and I know many of you have been waiting for this moment. Right here, right now, we're opening it up for the very first time. Just like when you buy one, it's always a good idea to check the packaging carefully. Look for the original plastic seal, because that's how you know it's authentic. The box here feels premium, with that mix of frosted and smooth textures, and the classic Huawei logo in the center. Inside, the black and gold theme instantly reminds you this is part of the Mate family. As soon as we lift the lid, the ultimate design branding greets us, and right below it sits our star of the show. At first glance, the Mate XTS looks almost like a small tablet, but when you pick it up, the weight surprises you. It's shockingly light. Before diving in though, a quick warning. Don't ignore the paperwork inside. I know most of us usually toss it aside, but here it actually matters. Two important things. Never peel off the protective film on the folding screen, and always keep sharp objects away from it. Replacing that film isn't cheap. Now the cool part, this phone supports Huawei's own M Pencil 3rd generation stylus, but nothing else. Now let's look at the accessories. Inside the box, you get a 66-watt fast charger with a Type-C port, plus a 100-watt car charger, compact but powerful with both USB-A and USB-C options. Both chargers come with dual Type-C cables, and yes, you also get Huawei's original protective case, which matches the phone perfectly. And here it is, the Mate XTS itself. The model we've got today is in this gorgeous Jin Brocade Purple color. Depending on the light and angle, it shifts between subtle and striking, paired with pale gold accents that give it a very refined, almost traditional Chinese aesthetic. The back panel isn't plain either. One side has a natural texture, while the other features embossed patterns, adding depth and uniqueness to the design. What really stands out though is how thin it is. Folded, it feels even slimmer than earlier models, and when you unfold it, you notice something unusual. The screen sits almost flush with the frame, unlike most foldables that stick out. Huawei clearly worked hard to minimize the bezel height. Now let's talk about the folding process. With its triple fold design, you bend it once, then again, and at the final stage, you feel a strong magnetic pull as the three layers snap together smoothly. The mechanism feels solid and premium. Once folded, it's a bit thicker than a normal phone, but definitely manageable. Compared to Huawei's first-gen dual fold, this is a huge leap forward in just a few years. On the back, the camera module is a symmetrical octagon, keeping Huawei's signature ultimate design look. You get a powerful main camera with a large sensor, a periscope telephoto lens, and a dual-tone flash. Even though the phone is ultra-thin, Huawei didn't compromise on the camera setup at all. As for usability, the tri-fold design gives you multiple ways to position and use the screen. Whether you fold one side, open it completely, or use it like a mini tablet, it adapts to different scenarios. The included protective case deserves a mention too. It's color-matched, has a side window for notifications, and even comes with a rotating kickstand that magnetically locks into place. You can use it at different angles for video, notes, or even as a photo frame when the phone's vertical. It's surprisingly versatile. And of course, the M Pencil 3rd Gen stylus. It's lightweight, responsive, and has 3 buttons for different functions. The nib is replaceable and writing feels natural with smooth pressure sensitivity. What's even cooler is the new Air Mouse mode, where the stylus transforms into a laser pointer or motion controller. Switching modes is easy, and the Type-C charging slot is cleverly hidden. Now let's power it up. The Mate XTS runs on HarmonyOS NEXT, Huawei's own pure blood system. On this 1 terabyte version, the OS itself takes about 48 gigabytes. The interface feels optimized for the foldable, with redesigned wallpapers, smooth transitions between folded and unfolded states, and extra eye protection features like low flicker adjustments and ebook mode. Performance-wise, you've got biometric security with both side-mounted fingerprint and face unlock. Battery-wise, despite the slim design, it supports wireless reverse charging, so you can power up your Huawei watch or earbuds on the go. Overall, this device is more than just a phone. It's a mix of smartphone, tablet, and productivity tool, all in one elegant design. And trust me, this is just beginning. I'll be testing the Mate XTS more thoroughly in the coming days, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for the full review.